Following a visit by the General Officer commanding 82 Division of the Nigerian Army, Enugu, Major General Emmanuel Kabok, to the state, series of meetings were held during which the military reviewed plans on how to assist the state contain the flood. In his remarks during the meeting, Governor Obiano revealed that the assistance of the army was sought by his government because of the enormous challenges posed by the flood. Thanking the army for responding promptly to his appeal, Governor Obiano pledged to facilitate the deployment of helicopters and other equipment to help the army team map out the already affected communities in the flood-prone areas for onward interventions.
We would like you to assist in the security of the 28 centers. So maybe about 100 men that share those centers and take good care of them. Then the logistics we talked about will be useful. Army trucks, so that by the time the vessels, so the speedboats and the wooden boats bringing people on ground, that those guys are taken to the nearest service center, where they are. Hygiene, water bill will be very important for the camp, so that we won't have the cholera challenges or what have you. You know, so far they have beddings, mattress, buckets, they have blankets. Of course, they'll have water, you know, but we need medicine. We will also need some more support with respect to water, either bottled one or as the case may be.
The Deputy Governor, Dr. Nkem Okeke, stressed the need for the Army to look into strengthening security in the holding centers set up for internally displaced persons. The leader of the team and commander, Regiment Brigade of the 82 Division of the Nigerian Army Enugu, Brigadier General Mike Maman, observed that mapping of the flood-prone communities would ensure that they embark on the appropriate rescue operation and deploy the right equipment during emergencies.
We are actually here in conjunction with the committee, identify all the areas that are prone to flooding, then know the likely number of people that would need to be evacuated, the equipment we will require to conduct these operations, the number of troops that we will require, as well as possibly given part of our own medical assistance to complement the efforts of the state.
The Executive Secretary of SEMA, Chief Paul Odenibo, noted that out of the 8 flood-prone local government areas, the response will commence with communities in Anambra North Senatorial District because of their peculiar flood problem before spreading to other districts.
We have 8 local governments involved, but for now we are concentrating on the local governments in the north of Anambra State. Commander, you are very, very familiar with the area when you were here. We have IMM local government. In IMM we have 6 camps, 6 emergency shelters. In Anambra East, we have 6 emergency centers. But we share the centers there between Anambra East and Anambra West displaced persons. Because in Anambra West, we don't have any emergency shelters. The reason is that it's usually flooded, and they will all leave their local government. Then we have our Baru local government. In Baru, we have 3 locations. The other areas in the south and central of Anambra State, we are not working on now, but we are getting them ready in the event that we have need to use them if the flood persists.
From the Governor's Lodge, Amobia, I am Kene Chukwuofoma reporting for ABS News.